a plane the size of a school bus, completely invisible to radar. The F-117 Nighthawk is 60 feet long, yet radar systems cannot find it. How is that physically possible? The answer is deliberate engineering. 3 systems work together to hide a stealth aircraft. Sharp geometry deflects radar waves. Radar-absorbing materials kill the signal at the surface, and hidden heat signatures erase the thermal footprint. Each one is essential. Radar works by sending out a signal and waiting for the echo. Stealth geometry eliminates that echo. Sharply angled flat surfaces redirect incoming radar waves away from the receiver, like a mirror tilted so light never reaches your eyes. Even if geometry can't deflect every wave, radar-absorbing paint handles the rest. This special coating converts electromagnetic energy directly into heat at the aircraft's surface. The signal simply never bounces back. No echo, no detection. Heat is a problem too. Jet engines burn hot, and infrared sensors can track that signature from miles away. Stealth aircraft route exhaust through the upper fuselage, mixing it with cool air to reduce the thermal plume before it escapes. But stealth has one critical vulnerability. When bomb bay doors open, the internal cavity reflects radar like a mirror. For that moment, the aircraft is visible. Engineers had to solve this with speed. The F-35 solves this with speed. Its weapons bay doors open and close in under 1 second. Weapon released, doors shut, stealth restored. Engineering so precise, it outruns the radar's reaction time. Sharp angles, absorbing surfaces, hidden heat. Together, these systems make a 60-foot aircraft disappear from radar. The F-22 Raptor, the F-35, the F-117, engineered to be invisible. That's the science of stealth.